Hello, I would like to introduce to you Bikeep operator-facing portal called the Bikeep console. This console is designed for operators of the connected Bikeep devices, so any device that is powered by Bikeep with Bikeep IoT. As the Bikeep IoT is online-based system, so you are able to communicate with every single device in real time via this console. You can log into this via your desktop or from your smartphone. When you log in, everything that will be visible to you will be according to your user profile. We have about 13 different levels of profiles available, so it can be highly customized. There are viewer profiles only, there's profiles that only see anonymized data, but there's also profiles who see specific user data and who can manage payments and make refunds, etc. So a lot of customization there. When you log in your initial dashboard view, you will have the list of stations underneath your management and also the map locations of these. But obviously you are able to configure this according to your own preferences, how you want to see anything. From here, you can also go into a specific station view. You can do that by typing in the station name or by typing in the specific 6-digit code for the station. And when you click on the station, you're able to go and start managing it. From the station view, you will see the initial statuses of the stations, whether the units are locked, unlocked, for how long time. Remember, this is a real live data that you're seeing. You would see if any of the health status is off. You can also see where and which kind of devices have up or ongoing maintenance tasks attached to it. Remember, all the user data initially is anonymized. But when you click on it, you can make a request and you can see who's the user behind it, if you have the correct permissions. From here, you can also see the 6-digit codes, etc. If needed, you can also force lock or unlock the devices. So if you need to unlock it for somebody or maybe force lock so no new user is able to use it, all these things are possible from here. There's also a very extensive maintenance logs from where you can create new maintenance tasks and see the full maintenance history of the specific device until to the level that you can log your hours spent and euros or dollars spent here. So whenever a technician goes on site, before they do a site visit, they can see what's the history of the specific location. From here, you can also remotely restart the station and access the station camera feed. Remember, as everything is GDPR compliant, nothing is accessible immediately. We create a specific link, and through that, it's tied with your user account, and then you're able to access it. From the upper end here, you can also get a lot further technical information or operational information if needed, understand which kind of service fees are tied with this location, or see the usage history of the specific location. And from the right-hand menu, if needed, you can do a lot of troubleshooting by the hardware event history. As this is a connected system, we log every instance. What are the incoming commands? What are the actual lock statuses doing? What the device is, how it's responding, who is giving which kind of commands until to the second level. So this is extremely useful when you need to do any kind of troubleshooting in order to understand what has been going on in the station maybe 2 weeks ago. This is what you can easily match with the camera feed in order to understand what was actually happening at the station. So this is a very comprehensive view of how you can manage all of your powered by Bikeep locations with the tips of your fingers from your office or maybe from your remote office.